makisaya at magkaperas.
Excited and game na game.
Oo, yung performers napapaos, sila rin napapaos dahil walang tigil,
Alam mo,
diba?
mga taga Miriam College, magagaling sumigaw yan. Oo.
Paano mo alam yan?
Talaga, oo. Kasi may mga dati akong kaibigan na nandito na nag-aaral ngayon. Marami akong nakita mga pamilyar ng mga mukha.
Really? They're here right now?
Mga dating classmates.
But I'm sure they're very happy kasi magpapamigay tayo ng kwarta ngayon.
Oo,
500 pesos,
marami.
1,000 pesos, and 3,000 pesos, right?
At lahat yan, syempre, ay bigay sa, ano lang lahat, ng clean tissue.
Clean Premio sa Rolyo contest, right?
Yes.
Tell them the mechanics. How does this go?
Alam mo, napakasimple lang itong game natin na to, Tito Jim. Kailangan merong, pero hindi misis ngayon eh.
Hindi.
Mga dalaga.
Two competing teams from Merinol.
Okay, so
from
meron
Miriam
tayo,
pala,
Miriam. May isang dalaga at may isang lalaki.
Yan.
Yan. So, yung babae, kailangan nakatayo lang siya, tapos iikutan siya ng clean tissue. Mula paa hanggang baywang.
That's
Pag
right.
umabot ng baywang, kailangan yung babae nang iikot.
Kung sinong maunang ma-wrap completely,
Mananalo
yun ang
ng
mananalo
3,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos
Ay,
pala yun.
1,000 pala. Ang jackpot natin yung free.
Siya ang magpa-participate sa jackpot portion
oo.
natin where they
Yung
can win
hahanapin nila, yung
3,000 pesos,
Yun.
right? Okay, let's call the
Sa dami kasi
contestants.
ng pera na pinamimigay natin.
Oo nga
Ito.
eh. Okay, Team A, Chin Chin Gutierrez and Rex Rafael.
Wow, maraming pala.
Team B, Malunang and Rujen Vista. Okay. Okay, guys. You know how this goes, right? You know how it goes? You have 2 minutes. Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Come on, clap your hands. Clap your hands, come on.
Kailangan hindi masira yung tissue, ha?
Okay.
Ang galing ng pinili. Talagang puro maganda. Kailangan.
Okay. Alam mo, may strategy yan eh. May
Anong
strategy yan eh.
strategy?
Dapat nakatayo talaga ng diretsyon-diretsyon.
Diretso.
Tapos yung isa, simple lang paikot-ikot ng yan. Okay. Yeah, you feeling good? Okay. Team A, Chin Chin Gutierrez with Rex Rafael. Team B, Malunang and Rujen Lista. Let's see who's gonna make it. Let's see who's gonna make it. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay. Okay, dapat hindi mapulit. Dahan-dahan. Okay.
Nakita mo naman, sumasayaw pa sila.
Okay. Clap your hands para ganahan. Sige na. Okay. Mukhang nananalo yan right on Team A. Malunang and Rujen Lista. What's happening?
Nagagalit na si Malu.
Okay. Okay, how many minutes more? 30 seconds more. 30 seconds. Okay. Okay.
Hindi na makahinga si Chin-Chin.
Okay, it looks like we have a winner. We have a winner already. And the winner is Team A! Chin Chin Gutierrez and Rex Rafael. Okay. First of all, Team A wins 1,000 pesos here.
Wow!
And Team B wins 500 pesos. Here you are. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much for joining.
Okay. Team A, now you know how this goes, right? Dapat pumunta kayo rito sa jackpot portion. But before we do that, panuorin muna natin sa VTR how they won. Okay. Jackpot portion. Diyan sa isang rolyo dyan, merong nakalagay na sign na 3,000 pesos. You have to find it. You're going to be given 1 minute.
1 minute, di ba?
Okay.
Teka muna, bago muna mag-jackpot, how to join first.
Magkaswerte at magkapera sa Clean Tissue Premio sa Rolyo as studio contestant and as lucky home partner. Para sa mga misis na gustong maging studio contestants, magpalista lamang sa ABS-CBN Channel 2, Mother Ignacia, Quezon City. Hanapin si Cynthia De Jesus. At para maging lucky home partner, bumili ng Clean Tissue. Gupitin ang Clean Tissue logo sa plastic wrapper at ilakip ang inyong name, address, and signature. Ipadala sa Clean Tissue Premio sa Rolyo Lucky Home Partner, care of Pilusa Corporation, 28 Shaw Boulevard, Pasig, Metro Manila. Tumataginting na 10,000 pesos ang naghihintay sa Lucky Home Partner. Join na kayo sa Clean Tissue Premyo sa Rolyo. Handog sa inyo ng Clean Tissue, ang all-around tissue na may one-ply na matibay.
Are you ready now? Alam niyo na gagawin niyo? No, both of you look for that winning thing,
Oo.
right? You have to look as fast as possible. No, you can look for as many.
One tissue at a time? Yeah, okay.
Okay. On your mark, get set, go.
3,000 is just
Okay. That's 3,000 pesos. Are they gonna find it? Oh, they found it! Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
3,000 pesos!
3,000 pesos plus 1,000 pesos. That's 4,000 pesos for both of them.
Magpa-party na sila.
Anong masasabi mo, Rex?
Oh, well,
Well,
thank you sa Clean and sa Hiking Society sa naligo na po sila.
Chin-Chin, anong masasabi mo?
Jackie, thanks for putting me in this contest. Kiss!
Oh, kiss daw, kiss.
Oh, kiss. We're asking for kiss.
Is this the beginning of a... may girlfriend ka rito. Wag na mga kaibigan. May girlfriend daw siya from
Magalit,
Lilia.
wag na.
Thank you very much, Rex and Chin-Chin, for joining this Premyo sa Rolyo ng Clean.
Mula sa Clean. So, abangan nyo, next week, mamimigay na naman kami mas marami pang pera mula sa Clean Tissue.
Maraming salamat po and we'll be right back.